The Meghalaya State Government has formally requested permission from the University Grants Commission (UGC) to establish the Captain Williamson Sangma State University, which would be the first state university in Meghalaya. This initiative aims to facilitate students' admissions to all affiliated colleges and eliminate the confusion associated with the Common University Entrance Test or Cuet. On the 29th of May 2024, the Education Department announced that the students would be exempted from Cuet 2024-25 following a notification by the Under Secretary Gopal Kumar. This exemption was granted after the Meghalaya government requested the central government for relief from the entrance test requirements. Commissioner and Secretary of the Education Department Syed Mohammad A. Razi informed reporters on the 30th of May 2024 that students seeking admission to colleges affiliated with the North Eastern Hill University would not need to take the Cuet 2024. He further stated that once the UGC Grants Commission recognizes the Captain Williamson Sangma State University, all government and government-aided colleges in the state would affiliate with it, making Cuet unnecessary for their admission.
Clarify certain issues and remove if there are any doubts regarding the CUET UG examination for the current year, for the academic year 2024-25. So I'll just to give a brief background to everyone present here is that when CUET tests were held, for the UG tests were held, and there were several issues which were highlighted, which included issues like a lot of students from rural areas had not registered for the test, so a lot of students who had registered but not taken the test, some of the students who had registered and not taken the full set like the language and the optional subject and the general studies. So these issues when they were highlighted and they were brought to the notice of Honorable CM, he immediately took cognizance of these issues. And he called a meeting with the Education Department, with NEHU officials and NTA in this regard. So the primary aim which Honorable CM directed was that we should ensure that the students who seeking admission into undergraduate courses in Meghalaya for the current academic year, they do not suffer. So a decision was taken by Honorable CM that we will seek exemption for all colleges affiliated to NEHU in Meghalaya for exemption from CUET and to take for colleges to take direct admissions as was happening in the previous years. So Honorable CM personally spoke to the Honorable Union Minister of Education, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, and which was followed by a DO letter to the Honorable Union Minister. And as you must be aware, and we are happy to inform, that on account of the efforts, personal efforts made by Honorable CM, UGC yesterday has approved the exemption from CUET for college admissions for undergraduate courses for 2024-25. So as of today, the admissions in colleges affiliated to NEHU in Meghalaya will happen as they were happening before for the current academic year.